Hi, I'm Eric from Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite soup recipes. We're going to be doing stracciatella soup, also known as Italian egg drop soup. This is a really delicious, comforting soup, but you can put it together in about 10 minutes using basic ingredients that you probably already have on hand, so stick around and I'm going to show you how it's done. When you make stracciatella soup, it's really important to use high quality ingredients. I have 6 cups of chicken stock. This is homemade. There's a link in the description box below to see how to make homemade chicken stock if you need some help there. But what you want to do, you want to get that in a saucepan and turn this on to medium-high heat. And while that chicken stock heats up, that's more than enough time to prep the rest of the ingredient. We're going to start off with some organic pasture-raised eggs. And you just want to take 4 of those eggs and crack them into a large bowl. And next we're going to add some cheese. We're just going to grate it right over top. I'm using Parmigiano Reggiano, but you could also use Pecorino Romano if you prefer. And the next ingredient is optional, but I really like to use it. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of semolina flour. Now that's going to provide a little bit more structure and make this a heartier dish. And next you just want to use either a whisk or a fork and beat the egg mixture up until it's an even, smooth consistency. And that's the consistency with the eggs and cheese that you're ultimately looking to achieve. Now I'm just going to season this lightly with a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. This is another optional ingredient, but I like to add some fresh chopped Italian parsley. And we're adding that late in the process because we didn't want to beat it up too much. And that's what you're looking for with your chicken stock. I actually turn this down to about medium low. Once it comes up to that simmer, you want to turn it down so it's not at a rapid boil. This is plenty. Now we just need to add that egg, parsley, and cheese mixture. And you could see the method there. You want to pour it in really, really slowly, stirring as you go, just to break it up and create what's called these little rags. That's actually what stracciatella means, is rags. And we just want to let that egg cook for about a minute. At the very last minute though, with the cooking, I'm going to add some fresh spinach. This is baby spinach. Now I've cut it up in strips, but if you like, you can leave it whole. And that is just about it. Now at this point we can turn off the heat and add some final garnishes. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. Also a small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And if preferred, you can garnish with just a little bit more of the grated cheese. Okay, so that looks delicious. We're ready to plate this up. Stracciatella soup, aka Italian egg drop soup. This is going to be good. Okay, so here's the finished product, stracciatella soup. Let's dig in and give it a try. So what just makes that so good, we used really, really high quality ingredients. We didn't have to do much to them. We used a homemade chicken stock with the eggs, the spinach, parsley, and just some basic seasonings. But when you use really high quality ingredients, it's really going to come through in the finished result. This Italian egg drop soup is absolutely delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, be sure to subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more soups. Fall is here, so be sure to check that out. I'm Eric from Simply Elegant Home Cooking, and I'll see you again soon.